Good morning, my dear sisters and brothers. We welcome all of you to our Eucharistic celebration this morning, and especially we welcome our dear pilgrims, our dear cathedral family as well from the St. Catherine of Siena Academy of Samal Incorporated and from St. Mary's College of Maykawayan, Bulacan. Maligayang pagdating po sa Manila Cathedral. We give them a warm round of applause. If we are to look at our readings today, these two readings for today, the pattern goes in this manner that someone faces an enemy. And indeed, all of us share the same sentiment and the same experience that once or for many times in our life, we face someone who hate us that much. Na talagang ang init-init ng mata sa atin, na wala na tayong ginawang maganda sa harapan nila. Be it someone in your community, even in the church, even those around us, we know someone and we might have experienced having enemies left and right. At kapag ka may kaaway, ang isang nais natin na katabi natin at kasakasama natin ay sana yung hindi dadagdag pa sa away, kundi yung isang aagapay sa atin. A companion, ang tawag nga natin sa Tagalog, kakampi. Yung kakamping magpapalakas ng loob sa iyo, yung kakamping gagabay sa iyo, yung kakamping magbibigay muli ng liwanag sa iyong buhay. And this is the prophecy of Jeremiah in our first reading today. And such was also his experience in his ministry of prophesying. He saw that many were there trying to terror him, to denounce him, trapping him, persecuting and stumbling him. But Jeremiah knows one thing for sure, that the Lord is with me. He is there to continue praising the Lord in spite of many things. And Jesus, in the same way, was not exempt from enemies, most especially and in particular the Jews in this gospel synod we've heard today, trying to attest and even purify, are you really God? Are you really the Son of Man? Why are you blaspheming? But then, Jesus would always have this secret, kakampi ko ang Diyos. And let this be a beautiful good news, my dear sisters and brothers, that enemies would be so present or would manifest in different forms in this life. Enemies, be it people. Enemies, be it our sins. Enemies that would even try to block the goodness of God in our lives. But let us take note and remember of this one beautiful secret of ours. Kakampi natin ang Diyos. Sa bawat umaapi, ang Diyos ang ating kakampi. Every fifth Friday of Lent, in a special way, we honor the Blessed Virgin Mary, Our Lady of Sorrows. We call this Friday Viernes Dolores. And on the foot of the cross, in the face of the many enemies of Jesus, Jesus firmly holds to this consolation in Him, that He is with God and His mother stands with Him. May mga kakampi siya sa bagay na ito. At sa pagpapatuloy ng buhay natin at marahil sa madami pa nating haharapin, pakatandaan din po natin na ang biyaya at mabuting balitang ito, may kakampi tayo sa langit. May kasangga tayo sa langit harapin ang mga bagay na ito. And such people, our loving God, would not disappoint us, but will always continue loving us and would always take care of us.